Nelson P150 again. This is my second one. I just had to get, it had a fitting stuck on it that I had cut out. It goes to a 2-inch from 3. Got a reducer on it. It's also got loose bearings on the counterweight, needs to be rebuilt. It seems to operate better than my other one. The other one has an issue with the brake. So, it kind of sticks. Put some more gas in the pumps. That's a .70 taper board, the smallest it can take. I got this used from the dealer. And I ended up finding my other 70 taper board for 150. I have a new one that's only been used once or twice. All my stuff is packed away. The only thing I can easily get to are my guns, the hoses, the stand, and the pumps. Everything else is packed away in totes until I can find another place to live. So I just bring out the guns. I'm sure if I looked I could find my rotors, but I may save that for next year. Probably gonna let this go one more and I'm gonna put my Rainbird up. I had my 205G with me, but I tried to get that up, but it almost fell on me, so I kind of gave up. I got my Rainbird 103, I'm going to put that up next. Thanks for watching.